All right, we are on day 3 of 6 week. We're in Gainesville right now. We had a nice night of rest here, and now we got to go over to the track. There was a fog this morning, plus we run C-Class, so I don't think we get to run till like 1, 2 o'clock maybe today. It gets really slow because the A and the B category go first, and then they let the C and D go. Hopefully this thing will last. It's got its issues. You know, she's very unique in her own little way. Offline, she doesn't know where she's at. She thinks she's still in Arizona. Heater goes in and out. The screen was going black last night when we were driving. That was fun, where I just all of a sudden nothing, and then it refires back up. So, you know, we do have a little bit of water damage. I'm not going to say we don't, but I think we, you know, it's not as bad as what Tesla's always been saying. I think we just have a few little things to work out. And then once we do get a new software update, our software hasn't updated in 5 months. So we don't have all the new stuff. We don't have the launch. We don't have all those things. So that's kind of what we're working on, just to try to work through those kinks and doing what we can with the car. And maybe it is fast enough to do what we want. Maybe it's not. So we're going to find out here in the next couple days, and we're going to get off to the track right now. But before that, Robert, you got to get in here. We got to get you in this guy. All right. You got in here yet? Yep. There you go. Yep. Yep. like
a glove.
Look how nice that looks. So good.
So comfortable.
You look comfortable. What are you thinking? We can do a 1,000-mile trip together.
I would love that.
So this is the life of an electric drag car. I have to get the batteries in drag strip mode. It's super cold out. It started at 38 minutes, so now I'm at 2 minutes at 81% battery. So I'll probably be about 80% battery by the time I finally launch. Not optimal in any way, but at least it's in drag strip mode, and I can kind of get some more data with that and see if that really helps out a lot. It did last time on the top end, and we could see it in the numbers as we were running. So right now I'm just sitting off to the side waiting for the stupid batteries to heat up, and it's like taking forever. So I had it in drag mode, but then we had to wait, so I pulled it out so I wouldn't kill the batteries, and now I'm trying to get back in the drag mode. So it's a lot of fun. All right, it is finally in. It took about 20 minutes. All right, well, this time I have it in drag strip mode and the sport steering and sport advanced suspension. Suspension's a real big problem for us. It's like our biggest thing. And I'm know that that's always going to hold us back with this mode that we can race in, where we're kind of offline doing our own thing. So
Chillin with Chet in the left lane. That's the Tesla Plaid, and this car did run bottom 9s on Rocky Mountain Race Week. However, only tech to 10 flat.
bye-bye.
Right, can't turn it in, so it means he's got to run something slower than 10.00.
And that's Adria Beeler in the right lane. Adria has the engine out of Tom McGilton's ZL1 Camaro.
All over the brakes. Oh, you're kidding me? 965 at 109 on the brakes.
Look at the 8th mile, 6 flat, 120.
Yeah, he was on his way to, like, I'm going to say like a 920 pass probably.
Yep, absolutely.
So that was battery at about 80% in drag strip mode. I smashed the brakes at the end. I don't want to get anybody's attention today, so thank you. That was a 149 on the 60 foot, 330 is a 3.9, 8th miles is 60 flat, and at 120 miles an hour, it smashed the brakes. and we still ran a 9.6 at 109 miles an hour. So we still broke out like terrible. But I was on track to be a low 9, I guarantee it. I mean, I really mashed the brakes. So at this point, I can see where we need to work a little bit, but it's not much more, guys. I mean, I'm really excited. Well, let's do this Fat Pig weighs. This is really cool. I haven't got this weighed yet, so here we go. I don't really have to weigh, but I'm just curious. Thank you. Okay, guys, so this fat girl weighs 4,710 pounds with me in it. I weigh 240 pounds, give or take, clothes, helmet, everything else, so 250 off the total there. Yeah, I mean, we're quite a bit down. I think we were almost 5,000 pounds with me in it before with a full interior. So we're down a few hundred pounds right now. So we're gonna go down a couple hundred more and then another 100 pounds with our final driver. Gotta go lighter, go faster.
What do you do when a car won't run fast enough on things too heavy? You lighten it up at the racetrack. So what do? We get the grinder out, we get our main man on it, and we start cutting panels off of it. Gotta have lighter to run quicker, so there we are.
Gotta trim her up. You ever wonder what the inside of a Tesla door looks like? Now you know. Well, there goes more sound deadening. Guys, this is the end of the day. This is going to be the last run. We been delayed after delay after delay. We did have fun, cut one of the doors out. Just kind of wanted to see how hard it was going to be. So we'll probably cut some more out tomorrow. So then by the time we come into Bradenton, we have all the rear stuff cut out. We still need to mount and fit up the front doors and cut them out and put Lexan in as well. That'll complete the lightening process, as well as strip out from underneath the hood. There's a lot of plastic and stuff under there, and then also like our crash bumpers underneath the actual shells of the bumper. That's another 40-50 pounds. So we could drop this thing a few hundred more pounds over the next few days. That's really nice. Okay guys, so I'm going to be running at 69%. I'm in drag strip mode. Pedals are all sport, suspensions in advanced, moved all the way to firm, and I have my mirrors in. But Friday, we won't even have mirrors. We're gonna have much of a door or anything in here up in the front. This puppy gonna be stripped. So wish me luck, guys. All right, here we go. I had a terrible burnout. All right, so yeah, that run was pretty tough. We got a terrible burnout. I was down to 69%. I was in drag strip mode, so that was nice, but it eats a lot of battery. The launch was very sluggish. I never felt that sluggish of a launch. and they didn't get the time, so we didn't get the data. I guess maybe I can go to the tower, maybe they'll have the times up there, but it didn't even pop up on the screen. So at this point, that might have just been a whatever run for no real reason. But now we're getting ready. These guys are all packing up, and we're gonna go up to Georgia right now to the track up there. I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 hour drive right now. We'll see you guys up there. This is another thing that Tesla tells you never to do.
Right-hand side of the racetrack. Hopefully the fog will not be so bad that
Look.
we won't be able to see the scoreboard.
There it is.
David Deal on the Mustang right side. David Deal on the Mustang on the left.
We're green.
Ah, look at that thing leave. It's so violent. The big time.
He didn't care. Nothing to see here. Just normal. Yep. Hey! Hey! We're live! Tell you, no water damage at all.